Tell me, like, the 3-minute mark, 2-minute mark, 1-minute mark, 30 seconds, okay? So, like, three minutes left, right? 3 fingers, 2 fingers, 1 finger, and then signal, like, 30 seconds, and I'll wrap it up.
It also works if my...
Wait, 5 minutes. Actually, after the 4 minutes, right? Then just tell me when it's done, and then I have to do my academic cheer. That's part of the thing, it's bullshit.
Okay.
It's an academic cheer, so I have to do this cheer is about bananas. Bananas are good for you, that's it. It teaches them to eat bananas because they're good for you. This is like my bullshit reasoning.
So that's just going to be recorded onto the same video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so it's starting?
Action.
Alright, sweet. Hello. So, my name is Raymond, and this is my sample teaching video for the Breakthrough Collaborative. I'll be talking about types of triangles. And so, as a review, a triangle is a 3-sided polygon. Like this guy, this guy, this guy. All of these are triangles right here. And I will be talking about different types. So, we'll begin with the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is defined as a triangle that has 3 sides being of all equal length. Like this one down here.
Question?
Yeah, question in the back.
So what do those markings on the triangle mean?
Good question. These markings denote that these sides are congruent, or they have the same length. So for this equilateral triangle, for example, it has 3 marks on all 3 sides, so it means that all 3 sides are the same. It's an equilateral triangle. And so, then we have an isosceles triangle. So, an isosceles triangle is a triangle that has 2 sides the same, like this guy over here. Notice the markings, 2 blue sides on the same sides of the same length. Third, we have a scalene triangle. These ones don't have any sides being the same, meaning that all 3 sides have all varying lengths, like this one over here. Notice 3 marks are all different. So these 3 triangles are all determined by the lengths of their sides. On this side, we'll be talking about triangles whose definitions are based on their angles. We'll start with the right triangle. The right triangle has a right angle. What does that mean? It's this box right here. This box right here denotes a right angle. It means that it has 90 degrees, so lines are also known as perpendicular to one another. That's what defines a right triangle. If a triangle has a right angle, it's a right triangle. Similarly, if you recall what an obtuse angle is, which is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees, a triangle that has an obtuse angle is called an obtuse triangle, like this guy over here. Remember, this one's also called a scalene triangle. Lastly, I'll be talking about the acute triangle. Now, I don't see any acute triangles on this board, but let's see, or do I? This guy. Equilateral triangles are all acute triangles. Why? If a triangle has no angles that are less than 90 degrees, it is an acute triangle. Right here. So, as a review, these 3 triangles, equilateral, isosceles, scalene, are all defined based on lengths of the triangle, or lengths of the sides of the triangles. Now, these 3 triangles, the right, obtuse, and acute triangles, are all defined by the angles they contain. Do you have a question over there?
Yes. Does that mean a triangle can be isosceles and acute at the same time?
Correct. Just like how the equilateral triangle is an acute triangle, the isosceles triangle is an acute triangle because they satisfy each other's definitions. Good question. So, my friend in the back, would you like to describe to me which triangle this is? I didn't give any markings at all. Take a guess. What does it look like to you?
Acute?
Acute? Very good. You could have also said that this triangle is isosceles, because these 2 sides are the same. Thanks. I'm done. Thank you. And so, let it roll for a while, because now I have to do my academic cheer. Okay, so let it roll, let it roll, let it roll.
I hope it's actually rolling, because it says battery low on my thing. It might have stopped the recording.
All right,
Hopefully it didn't, so go.
Hopefully it didn't. All right, so here's my academic cheer. It teaches kids to eat bananas because they're good for you. Ready?
Yes.
What?
We're ready.
Hold on, I have to remember how it starts. Oh, yeah, I remember. All right. So here's my academic cheer, kids, and it teaches you to eat bananas because they are good for you.
Yay.
Ooh, ah, bananas. Ooh, ah, bananas. Peel, bananas. Peel, bananas. Mash, bananas. Mash, bananas. Eat bananas. Eat bananas. Go, bananas. Woo! Thanks.
I hope it recorded.
I hope I recorded it too. I don't want to do it again.
I think it did.
Good.